Major curveball for Barry Bonds. An appeals court just threw out the former Giants' criminal conviction. That means the home run king's record is clear. Bonds was convicted of obstruction of justice for his testimony over steroid use in baseball.
KPIX5's Joe Vazquez live at AT&T Park, where Bonds' legacy has long been controversial with Giants fans. Joe?
Yeah, Alan, this whole ordeal stemmed from a trial to find out if Barry Bonds ever injected steroids. Well, the trial never came to a conclusion on that question, but a jury convicted him of a lesser charge of obstruction of justice. Well, that conviction is no more. The federal appeals court ruled that Barry Bonds' felony conviction was wrong and that the jury's decision will be reversed. The 11-judge panel said there was insufficient evidence that an evasive statement Bonds gave during the grand jury process rose to the level of the crime of obstruction of justice. The court also ruled that the case is acquitted, closing the door on any future prosecution. Barry Bonds released a statement saying, quote, "I am humbled and truly thankful for the outcome as well as the opportunity our judicial system affords to all individuals to seek justice." His attorney, Dennis Reardon, says it's an enormous load off the home run champion's shoulders.
Devastating for the prosecution.
Melissa Griffin-Kane is a KPIX5 legal analyst.
The ruling basically said that giving a nonsensical answer in response to a direct question isn't really obstruction. If you say, "Do you have a gun?" and I say the sky is green, that's not obstruction. It's just me not answering your question. There's nothing unlawful about that.
So, technically, prosecutors could take it to the Supreme Court, but our legal analysts say that's just not going to happen. As for federal prosecutors, we reached out, no comment there. As for Barry Bonds himself, well, he was at the game last night. We're hoping we could get a glimpse of him tonight and ask him his thoughts in person. Stay tuned. Reporting live, I'm Joe Vazquez, KPIX5.
I'm sure he's a happy man. Well, Barry Bonds' legal saga has been going on for almost a decade. He was indicted in November 2007, just months after he played his last baseball game. In 2011, Bonds was convicted of obstruction of justice. The jury couldn't come to a verdict on whether he'd lied about using those performance-enhancing drugs. He appealed his conviction in May of 2012. That same year, he made his first appearance on the Baseball Hall of Fame ballot. He has yet to come close to getting in.